Hi friends, today I will be drawing with you a chibi girl reading a book. Although I love making short videos, many people have asked me to show a little more of my illustration process. If you want to draw this with me, you can draw on paper or on your iPad. I want to create these videos to share a little more of myself with you. For this illustration, I am using my iPad Air, my Apple Pencil, the Procreate app, and the Crayon Procreate set. This drawing started with a quick sketch and then was inked using a basic round brush to create line art. I like to create well-defined sketches to make the ink process much easier. Being a perfectionist has hurted me a lot over the years. I was never really ready to start. Drawing is an exercise of self-confidence and liberation. Everyone is a potential artist. Digital drawing always allows you to make corrections and improvements. And the drawing is only the start of the process. You can add ink, color, shadows, light, and texture to truly make your artwork come alive. Many of us feel scared to draw because we worry that we won't be able to make something that looks good or that other people will think is good. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep trying until you achieve a result you are proud of. Are you ready to draw? And let the creative process take you on a journey of self-discovery. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you.